Hello, if you want to enable or disable the airplane mode, you have several ways to do so. The first way is by going to the settings. Then in the settings you want to go to connections, and over here we have airplane mode. We can simply tap on this switcher in order to turn it on or off. We can also tap on the text itself in order to open the details, and we can read what happens when you enable the airplane mode. In addition to that, we can also open the notification tray, so like so. And then you should be able to find the airplane icon. At least by default it should be located over here. You can tap on this airplane icon in order to also enable the airplane mode, which is then indicated in the top left side here in the notification tray, or with this icon next to the battery, the airplane icon over here. And of course you can tap on it as well one more time to turn it off. You can also open the quick settings, so you can swipe one more time just like you swipe for the notifications tray. And over here you should be also able to find the airplane mode, and once again you can tap on it in order to turn it on or off. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!